Got another cooking video. Yeah, I know it's not Genesis Coupe automotive content, but it's my channel and this is something that I want to put on it. But anyway, so the recipe calls for 1 cup of soy sauce, half cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of cooking wine, then 2 tablespoons of sesame oil right there, and then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then 4 cloves of minced garlic, but this is the paste, so it has on the back right here 1 teaspoon equals 1 clove of garlic, so you get 4. And then 4 to 5 pounds of the flanking cut beef short ribs. I get mine from Costco and they go for $10.99 a pound, and that's 4 1/3 pounds, just under 50 bucks. That's where I like to get mine from. You can get your stuff wherever you want, whatever brand, but I already got it in my bowl, so you just get everything in here and mix it up. And then I'll get back to you when I get the short ribs in the Ziploc bags. But you just basically want to marinate them in there for about 3 to 4 hours. If you do it more, they tend to dry out. All right, so I got my short ribs separated apart, and they're in my gallon Ziploc bag. And this is what the marinade sauce looks like after you mix it. So I'm just gonna pour it all in there. And like I said, 3 to 4 hours of marinating. Any more and it tends to dry the meat out. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's what actually happens. So get all that in there. Okay, and then try and get all the air out. Clean that bag up. And that's what it looks like. You just put it in your refrigerator and you let it sit in there for, like I said, 3 to 4 hours.